All right, come on.
I am a Christian.
Okay.
Our friend here
Are you
late.
speaking on behalf of Christianity as well? Let me just understand.
I am a Christian, yes.
And you speak on behalf of Christianity?
Yes, I am a Christian.
Okay.
I am a Christian.
Yeah.
And our friend here, Laith, is a Muslim. Hey, love.
Alhamdulillah.
A friend here, Laith, is a Muslim.
Yeah.
So now we'd like to discuss a simple point. As a Christian, I am able to demonstrate
Allah
why.
hayy shabab. Allah hayyhum.
Please,
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
What do you mean, please? Come on, we are.
don't be distracted.
No, I'm not distracted. I'm listening.
Yeah. As a Christian,
الشباب الطيبة جايين يعني من آخر الدنيا مشان.
as a Christian,
Yeah.
I am able to demonstrate
Uh-huh.
that Jesus is marvelous. And as a Muslim, I'd like for you to demonstrate that Muhammad is marvelous.
Yeah.
So let's try and see what we end up with. Could I start? Did you want to start? Do you think Muhammad is marvelous?
You start. You start. Firstly, I want to clarify something. Yeah. I'm Muslim, but I'm speaking on behalf of myself. I'm not speaking on behalf of Islam, because I'm not a scholar in Islam. So what I'm going to answer to the best of my knowledge. Right? Let's just clear this. Because if you speak on behalf of Christianity, that's a different story. But go on. Yeah.
So, my dear friend, what we are talking about
Yeah.
is a very simple topic. Don't.
Can I ask you a question?
No, one second.
No.
We already asked a
Actually,
question.
No, seriously, no. Forget about that.
We've already asked a
can I ask
question.
you- no, then I will support. Listen,
Jesus-
I respect Christianity. No,
Please,
seriously,
stay
I respect
focused.
Christianity.
Please stay focused. Jesus
Yeah.
is a marvelous example. Why?
Why?
Jesus ultimately loved human beings. He loved people
Yeah.
who he agreed with, and he loved human beings who he disagreed with. He ultimately laid down his life for everyone that he loved, which is everyone in this world. Jesus went to the cross
Yeah.
to lay down his life for me and for all of us. Jesus said, greater love has no man than to lay down his life for his friends. Marvelous. I'm assuming none of us here would be able to reject the great quality in the teachings of Jesus. Jesus is marvelous. Jesus treated his women in a respectable manner. Jesus treated girls in a respectable manner. Jesus treated his disciples in a respectable manner. In every way possible, Jesus was respectable. There was nothing disrespectful about Jesus. The ones who wanted to kill Jesus wanted to kill him on theological differences, not moral quibble. No one disagreed with Jesus on his moral caliber, but only on the theological claim that he was God, Son of God. So this is Jesus. No wonder Jesus everyone loves. Now I come to Muhammad.
We love Jesus. I love Jesus.
This is exactly what I told you.
No, I really love Jesus.
You won't find. You won't
I
find.
love dick too. I'm sorry to say that, but okay. But yeah, all right. So
You will not find anyone try to say they don't like Jesus.
good boy.
But that has nothing to do with your quality. It has everything to do with the quality of Jesus. In contrast, I come to Muhammad.
Can we? Yeah.
Let me talk.
Yeah.
In contrast, I come to Muhammad.
Yeah.
Everything I study about Muhammad is evil. Everything.
Everything. All right.
Yeah, everything. For instance, when it came to people he disagreed with,
Can I? All right. No. Listen.
Let me finish.
Listen.
Let me finish.
Okay.
Let me finish.
Can I just say one thing? Yeah. For a very long time, Speaker Corner here, it's been discussing about Islam and Christianity. Right. Let me address the elephant in the room. What do you think about Zionist and Israel? Let me just understand. No, let me just understand this.
You see what has happened right now?
Listen, I don't disagree.
Yeah, well, you see what has happened right now?
Let me understand that.
The moment he got to know about the topic a little bit, he realized he is in serious trouble.
Yeah.
He realized this.
I am in
And
trouble
so now he will try anything and everything
No, I wanna
to
understand.
run away from
Because
the
thing
topic.
is, Can I explain why?
Now,
No, come on.
I am going to
Hey,
talk
hey, hey.
about one second.
No.
Now, don't do shh. Don't do. If you want to do shh, go somewhere else.
Listen.
Now,
you just
I am
keep
talking about Muhammad. I study, in the way I've studied Jesus, I try and study Muhammad. And what I find are abominable things.
Let me explain
In
why.
no way, shape, don't explain anything. Listen first.
To explain
No,
why.
don't.
I need
Listen
to
to that.
understand.
You see the behavior of the
Is
Muslim?
Zionist or Christian?
If anyone speaks about Jesus,
It has to be
I
very
will be
clear.
more than happy
Because there
for
are
the
other
person
guys
to
there
speak.
claiming to be Christian.
But the moment someone speaks about Muhammad, he is already ashamed.
Right?
Can you
I'm not
see?
ashamed. No.
Ashamed. If he respected Muhammad, if he thought Muhammad was of any reasonable quality, he should be happy that a Christian is going to talk about his prophet. He should be happy. But realize what happened. He would not even let me start. Why? He knows there is nothing good about Muhammad. So the more time I take, he is going to find out that Muhammad is evil,
think- listen,
more
I'll tell
evil,
you what,
and
I'll tell you
even
what.
more evil. So I'll tell you what Muhammad did. One second. I'll tell you one
Just
second.
keep talking for a
One
while.
second.
You talk a lot. You talk a lot.
Tell
You
me,
need to understand-
tell me,
to understand-
tell me.
to understand-
One
to
second,
understand
one
thing.
second.
I need to understand one thing. What do
Did
you, what's your
Muhammad
position? What's
teach-
your position? What's your position in Zionists and Israel and killing children? Because if I understand this
Muhammad ill-treated people who disagreed with him.
No, right, you go
Muhammad
away. You go away.
ill-treated his own women. Muhammad,
You go away.
stay focused.
You go away.
Muhammad,
You're
Please.
You're talking about Elijah. You
please,
go away.
stay focused.
You go away.
Muhammad,
You
Muhammad,
go away.
I'm here.
You are not
Did
you
Muhammad,
that's why I-
did Muhammad,
When
don't
I
do
speak, you speak with.
late.
You stupid man.
The quality of Islam.
You need to answer my questions. No, that's not a question. I
Did
told you. I
Muhammad
started
treat
with-
Where is your-
I
anyone
represent myself. I
properly?
don't represent anyone. I don't represent Islam. I
Anyone
represent
with
myself.
respect.
I represent myself. My question is simple.
You're racist.
Do you
You're
this,
racist.
do you support Zionists and
How
Israel?
many of you would like for Layth, the Muslim gentleman, to begin talking a few things about Muhammad?
That's an
How
Oscar
many?
over there.
I'd like to find out what Layth knows about Muhammad, which he is able to demonstrate right now as good things about Muhammad. Did Muhammad treat people he disagreed with respect?
I ask you a simple question. Once you have the ability, the guts to answer that,
Did Muhammad treat
I can
his
go-
women with respect?
absolutely.
Please.
As simple as that.
So the gentleman says Muhammad treated his women in a respectful manner. Please give me details.
don't want
How
to give you
exactly
details. I
did
don't-
Muhammad
I don't
treat
need to give you any details.
his
No,
women
no,
I
in a
don't need to
respectful
give
manner?
you
Please.
any details.
When you ask me where is Allah,
Please.
But still, like, for the man, like, come on.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, no. No,
Answer, please.
no. What I need to understand.
Good thing.
I'm not getting distracted. Let me understand one thing. Right?
No, yeah.
There's a difference. There is a difference between
no.
talking to a Christian.
Muhammad. How is Muhammad good?
Stop for a second, mate. Shh.
How is Muhammad good? Please
There's a
start.
difference between talking to a Christian and a Zionist. There's a very clear, because I'll tell you why. Because just a moment ago, I had the same conversation with another gentleman there, and I thought mistakenly he's a Christian. It turned out to be he's a Zionist, and there's a very clear distinct thing. But my question is,
What is good about Muhammad, please?
yeah, everything's good about him.
Please, yeah. Let's get started.
I don't-
Something.
I don't-
Start somewhere.
Yeah.
So he says, yeah, change the battery quick. So like just one. You can take a break, and then you can start fresh.
So is that your camera? The others? What about the others? They're not.
Friends can.
Friends,
It's-
yeah,
if you're
friends and family, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, let's just talk. That's a nice
No,
camera. over
once.
there. Whose camera is
No,
that?
once. No, we're not running a camera shop right
nice.
now.
No, what
We're
do you
talking about Muhammad right now.
Do not get close
You're
to
the
me.
only one
Do
who's
not
coming.
get close to me.
Sure. So I'll stand here. So don't come in. Come in. Yeah, sure. Thank you. So the gentleman now the camera is ready. Lovely. The camera is ready. Layth is prepared to go right now. Tell me, begin somewhere. Tell me how Muhammad is good, please.
As soon as have the ornament, you will have blessings.
A long pause.
Then you wait.
Yeah, drink some water. Do you need some food?
Listen,
Some food for thought?
if you understand about Muhammad, alayhi salatu salam, our prophet, right? And then you say he's not a good guy, right? You should state why he's not the right guy.
You see?
Because I can start with, listen, I can talk about.
If Muhammad is a good guy, surely a grown-up man like Layth
Let me
should
just-
begin
let me
to
just
speak
answer.
a few good things about him. Very simple. Tell me, start somewhere. Tell me something good about Muhammad. Let's start somewhere, please.
Because I don't want to talk about generics, right? So we can talk
No,
about
talk about
how
specifics.
How he treat his
Tell me
neighbors.
something good about Muhammad. Let's get started. Specifics, please.
I can talk about how he treat his neighbors. I can talk about the traits of Islam, about supporting others. I can talk about the neighborhoods, the brotherhood of liking.
Yeah,
each
start
other. I
somewhere.
like-
Start some. Choose
No,
one.
I'm talking about-
Start.
All right. That to be a true Muslim, you need to like for yourself what you like for the others.
I have absolutely no clue what he's on
Then
about.
which means-
Muhammad,
which
tell
means
me a few good things about Muhammad.
That's the point. That's the point. That's the point. All right. That's the point. That's the point. Yeah.
Do you believe
Okay,
Muhammad
yeah,
is a
yeah.
historical person?
Yeah.
You believe
I
in Muhammad?
believe he's the
So
most-
tell me, don't focus on you, what you learned in your masjid today. Don't tell me what you're going to have for dinner tonight. Focus on Muhammad. Tell me a few good things about Muhammad. Please.
I just answered three things. Pick one.
You choose. I didn't
No,
hear
you
anything
pick
useful,
one.
so
You
please
pick one.
choose somewhere and get started.
pick one. You
Choose anyone. The first one, please go ahead. The
Right,
first
yeah,
one, go
treating
ahead.
neighbors. All right, let's go.
Yeah, please.
Right, treating neighbors.
Treat
Right.
your
Treating neighbors.
So,
Right, let's
did
go.
Muhammad treat his neighbors well? It's a good topic to explore. Did he treat his neighbors well?
Yeah.
Which neighbors did Muhammad treat well?
One of the historic and one of the stories that happened with our Prophet Muhammad is about a Jew was his neighbor, and then for several times the Jew was throwing the rubbish near our Prophet Muhammad alayhi salam house, and then after a bit of while, stop laughing there.
Hey, don't be angry. Hey, don't do.
Stop laughing.
Look
Stop
him.
laughing.
Look at him.
If I'm
moving.
talking about my Prophet, you don't laugh.
Oh, wow. You can talk. I can laugh. Excuse me, sir. Go to Saudi Arabia to enforce this, okay?
Sit down there.
Go to Saudi Arabia. Look at this ridiculous guy.
down and don't talk.
Look at what Muhammad has taught him.
Make your cute, man. He's supposed to be saying something.
When he speaks about Muhammad, I should not laugh.
Do not move.
Wow. Hey, go ahead. Yeah. Now, stay focused. Excuse me, sir. Hey, wow. Stay wow. Now, so stay focused. When you speak about Muhammad, I can laugh. He can speak. Someone else can breathe. Everyone else can live their lives. Just because Muhammad is a mess, you think everyone is going to stop living? Please go ahead. So, how did Muhammad treat his neighbors properly, please? Don't focus.
Stop screaming. I start with one thing, right? I said I'm not a scholar in Islam, and I'm saying,
Yeah. He
on
treated us.
behalf of-
Some rubbish was thrown. Yeah.
Yeah.
Someone threw rubbish. Yeah.
yeah, and
yeah.
but our Prophet did not treat the same.
Okay. So at least a good start. What does Layth say? Some Jew threw some rubbish before Muhammad's house,
Well, you have to interpret what
and
clear. You don't need to interpret it.
and Muhammad
Speak in
treated him
English.
well. Let me ask you a simple
speak
question,
in
Layth.
Chinese.
Do you know, Layth? Do you know what happened to all the Jews?
It's good. Yeah.
I'm here. Do you know what happened?
Not you are here. We are here.
If
We
Muhammad,
are here.
I'm getting
We are here.
No, what do you mean?
I'll give you a hint.
Look at you. It's like
I'll give you a hint. I'll give you a hint.
Times better than
One
you,
second,
yeah.
one second.
All right, yeah.
If you act on your own, you will at least be a low-level comedian. But if you listen to him,
It's mockery.
everyone will
You're
laugh at you.
insulting
So
to
please.
You're making a mockery of faith.
If
You come here to make a mockery of
Muhammad
people's religion.
treated the Jews properly, let me try and find out from you, my dear friend. Do you know what happened to all the Jews and the Christians of Hijazi by the time of the end of Muhammad's life?
No.
You don't know?
Teach me. Come on. All right,
Okay.
tell me.
You see?
Yeah, tell me.
I'll
about
teach you.
history. Tell
No
me.
problem.
Right,
I'll teach you.
Well, let's
I'll
answer
teach
the-
you.
Yeah,
let
No
us answer
problem.
the question.
No problem.
Let us answer the question.
So,
Let us
I'll
answer
teach
the
you.
question.
No, no,
Was
I'll
Muhammad-
teach you. I'll
One of
teach you.
Muhammad's wife was a Jew. One of Muhammad's wives was a Jew. One of the 12 Jewish scholars in Medina,
What do you say
one of
about
them accepted Islam, Muhammad ibn Salman. Now
do you say
let's
about
look.
that?
Now let's look at it. Let's look at the Bible. Now.
Who looks like
the
a fool
Bible
now?
talks
Could
about
I
the
speak?
Jews
No.
who never accepted the prophets.
What
changed
happened?
The words of the prophets.
What
So
happened?
therefore, the very Jewish community that you are praising, they kill Jesus. They glorify and they killing of Jesus, and they consider Jesus. A
What
person of
was the
hellfire.
question I asked? What happened to the Jews and the Christians of Hijazi
They accepted
by the
Islam.
time?
accepted
They were four. Okay, so
They
in other words,
accepted Islam.
in other words, if I could focus on them who were not Muslims, who did not give to pressure, please hear, what happened to the Jews and the Christians by the time of the end of Muhammad's life in Hijazi? I'll give you details. Clearly, you haven't read your Quran. Please go through your Quran. Surah 50, Al-Hashr, Surah 59, Al-Hashr tells you that the Jews and the Christians who rejected Islam were not given the opportunity to live in their own townships in Hijazi before the end of Muhammad's life. Who tells me
Where is
this?
Hijazi? Where's the Bangladesh?
Oh, who tells me this?
Where
Not
is the
me.
boundaries of Hijazi?
Not me.
Where is
The
the boundaries?
Quran. Surah 59 is a surah. The title of the surah is called Al-Hashr. And the word Al-Hashr simply translates to the exile. Al-Hashr, Surah 59, Al-Hashr, the exile. What does Surah Al-Hashr talk about? I could read, for example, Ayat 2. It is He who expelled the ones who disbelieved from among the people of the scripture. The Jews and the Christians who disbelieved in Islam were sent on exile. By who? By the Islamic Allah. Of course, Muslims know Islamic Allah never showed up anywhere. And so whatever is claimed by people as what the Islamic Allah did, the Muslims themselves did. So his point,
I'm not saying it's not.
To debate.
you see what has happened here?
He's allowed to have his own view.
The Muslim entourage here will do anything that they want to do to distract from people speaking about the Quran, about Muhammad.
He's Christian as well.
Yeah, if you please
Yeah, what do you think
maintain
about
some
that?
distance. We are talking about your Muhammad.
Christian.
While we are talking about
he's
Muhammad,
Zionist.
he is taking a phone call. Look at the disrespect.
Yeah, outside, yeah? If you
Look
wanna
at the
come- yeah,
disrespect
park outside,
here.
Yeah. He's parking outside. You want to
Sure.
go and talk to him?
Somebody was to make an insult.
Are you confused?
No, I'm not talking to you.
Are you confused? Do you have?
I will interject and say this.
Evans,
So, my dear friends, is there any other Muslim who would like to step in? So, you say, if you please now stay away. Clearly, of course, you haven't been.
Stay away.
Sure, sure.
This is not your
Are you Muslim, sir? Please help us understand. Please come here.